Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classes provided by DV Thermal. Today we will start literature lesson 2, Granny's Tea Climbing, written by Ruskin Bond. As you know, Ruskin Bond is a nature-loving poet. Ruskin Bond was born in 1934, has written many books for children, some dealing with his own childhood, others dealing with the lives of contemporary Indian children. Bond spent his childhood at the grandparents' house in Dehradun, where he grew up in the company of a number of pets. He developed a deep love for nature, which is evident in most of his works. The poem Granny's Tree Climbing has been taken from An Island of Trees, which is a collection of short stories and poems dealing exclusively with Bond's love for nature. Now we'll discuss the brief summary of the poem. Granny's Tree Climbing is a humorous poem about the poet's childish as well as the childlike grandmother who refused to act in the traditional graceful manner a grown-up woman is supposed to behave. Her love for childish antics is a constant cause of worry for the entire family, but a source of great amusement for the reader. Before reading the poem, we will discuss the pre-reading task, and tomorrow we'll discuss in detail the summary of this poem. Now the pre-reading task. First part is there. Which of the following tasks do you associate with your grandmother? Yeah, which work can be done by the granny? The first is the cooking. It's a very obvious that all grannies can cook in the kitchen. Second is the knitting. Again the same thing, common thing is there. Third is sewing. And the fourth is preparing pickles. And the fifth thing is climbing tree. That is an extraordinary talent. But in this poem, the Ruskin Bond's granny was genius in tree climbing. The second part is there. Have you ever climbed a tree? So you have to tell me yes or no. Did you find the task easy and enjoyable or difficult? While climbing tree, whether you enjoy or whether you feel very difficulty. So discuss with your friends some risk involved in a climbing tree. Tomorrow in the next class, I will discuss this thing. And the third part is, do you know what a treetop house is? What is the difference between the simple house and the treetop house? Discuss with your friends how different living in a treetop house would be from living in an ordinary house. In the next class, we will discuss the difference, so you have to think about that. I hope all of you clear this introduction of this Granny's Tree Climbing. In the next class, we will explain in detail this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.